Okay folks, we did an all-night walleye fishing. We got 6. Look at them. They're all pretty good size. Good eating. Rob got the biggest one right there. Okay, cherry lovers, I'm out here. I have to show you this, guys, because this is what I've been trying for a long time. I have put light all the way around the farm, and I'm going to take you for a walk and show you all that I've done. Let's go for that walk all the way around the fence. Been wanting to do this, and I found these online, and I said to myself, I'm gonna buy them. You only live once. So we're gonna walk around the farm, and I'm gonna show you guys just what the farm looks like. Of course, we're going back to the apples, and you can see what's going on here. Look at this. Told the wife we could go for a walk around the farm now in the evening, have some accent lights. She told me that I should put some little porch, like little benches underneath each one of them. She's giving me all kinds of ideas. I'm telling you what, people, look at them. Look at them, boys. Wow. Unbelievable. I love it when a plan comes together, folks. Anyways, we're gonna walk all the way around and get to show everybody. The farm's coming together, people. I'm loving it. And we'll go down here to the corner. Just thought I'd show you. I thought it was cool this time of night. It's almost dark. The camera's making it brighter than what it is. So, uh-oh, I got one that's not lit. I'm gonna have to stop a minute. Okay, we got her up and running now. Forgot to turn it on. So we're gonna go down here and turn back around. We're out here in the apple orchard. Like I said, it's really coming together this year. Let's turn back around real slow. And look at that. Look at that, folks. Look at it. All the way back to the house. Isn't that amazing? Beautiful. All right, let's go up this way. Take us a walk up this way. If you guys want to know where I got these lamps, you can go on Amazon and get them. They are 2 for $44. I'm not going to add it up for you, but you can tell that I've got about probably 25 lights, 30 maybe here, and yeah, it is something. I'm enjoying it though. I love it. The farm is coming together just the way I want it. Told Joyce this is what I've been wanting. So this year we're concentrating on getting the farm all together. Next year we're gonna go back to, I got some trees I gotta buy, but we're just trying to beautify the place. And it's coming together. It is coming together nicely. So we've taken for a little ride around the around the farm. I'm gonna take you guys out again and show you the front, how everything has changed. But like I said, we're trying to make this place look nice. Really looks nice now at night. It does look nice in the daytime with all these lights. So, but now we're back up to the barn, and we got them out front too. I'm gonna walk out here. Of course, the sign has different colors on it for Heaven's Gates Cherry Farm, but I put the lights out front there, so that's all. And then of course, I think I've showed you guys this, but look at this, look at this, look at the porch. Look at how beautiful it is. Let me go up here and get all the lights. Look at that. Look at that, people. That beautiful, beautiful place. Can't ask for more. All right, now I'm going inside. Mosquitoes aren't bad, but they do find you now and then. Hello, cherry lovers. Well, we're waiting on our thunderstorm. We've been here since yesterday. I'm just panning around, let you guys see the whole process. There's Mrs. Cherry Lover right there, and the one in the background in the kitchen. There's all the tents. All the tents that stay in here. Look at that. We got a wonderful place. This is a beautiful campground. We're the only ones. They're primitive, so we're the only ones here, and nobody else around us. And you can't ask for better. So anyways, we're out here today. We'll be here all till Sunday, and it's a beautiful, beautiful place. I'm going to try and capture all the beautiful sounds and scenes. The next campground's a quarter of a mile away.
You were high last night. You went real high.
Somebody practiced shooting, so yeah. But anyways, I got people that are talking in the background. It's just the rest of the family. They're having a good time. So, but anyways, what a beautiful place. So I just thought I'd bring you along and see everything. They're sleeping.
You think we're gonna get rain on? Yeah, 7 o'clock. And it's just in there about 7 o'clock. It's supposed to rain. 80% chance, so we're gonna get rain. For how long? We were getting ready to take a while. Let's go fishing while this year.
Can't
Then it started
know.
thumping.
I mean, you can go fishing.
No, not when it's. You're not supposed to be on the water when it's lightning. Okay, cherry lovers, this is our campsite at 9 o'clock in the morning. It is actually beautiful. Look at that. That's what we've been looking at all morning. All weekend long we've been here. This is our campsite. Give you a 360 of the whole camp. And this canal takes you out to the river, and but like I said, boy, what a beautiful sight. We sit in our campfire and we watch right here. this is what we stare at. Isn't that beautiful? Boat down there. What a beautiful sight. What a beautiful sight. Let me pan up a little bit. See how pretty that is? Okay, cherry lovers, I want to take you for a little walk on the peninsula that we're staying at. I mean, this is just beautiful. I mean, you go for a walk in the morning. That's what I'm doing. Of course, on both sides, like I said, there, as you can see the peninsula out there. I mean, we go out through the canal there. The river's on the other side. And when I get to the other side, you'll see that we're basically back far enough. It's like I said, you're in the middle of nowhere. Of course, we could have camped here last night. We decided we'd camp back in that canal because it's so beautiful. But just take a look at that. Amazing. But then also you could come back here. And of course, on this side is the river. It takes you right out. But just, I'm going to stand right here and I'm going to show you. This, look at this. Look at this. I just can't. It's amazing. It is just plain beautiful. Let's walk some more. Let's go for a little walk today. What an amazing trip we're on. Haven't caught a lot of fish, but water's clear. It's just a quiet morning out here. I had to take you guys on a walk with me. Thought I'd bring you along, show you how beautiful. Ain't this a beautiful sight? Water on both sides. Of course, you can camp here. It's just amazing. Of course, if I can get all the way out there, I'm going to take you all the way to the point. But like I said, if you tent here, here's what you see. It's just plain beautiful. Just plain beautiful. Look at the river, how clear it is. Ain't that a beautiful sight, folks? And then if, like I said, if you don't want to sit and look at the river, go down up into the cove. Look at how beautiful the cove is. I mean, it's just some breathtaking spot. Tidy, what are you doing? I didn't know you were down here. And you let the dogs take the trail because it's only one way out back to our tent. Come on, buddy. Come on. Is your mama down there? No. Come on, big fella. He down there enjoying life too. Come on, buddy. Get back here. Oh, never mind. Your mama down there. What a beautiful spot. What a beautiful place to film. Was you out there? Huh? Was you in the water this morning, big fella? You were? And liking it? This goes all the way out, don't it?
If you take the trail this way, not that way.
All right, I'm going out that way.
Okay.
There you go, mama. I don't know if the camera can show you this. We're on about probably 25 feet down to the river. Look at that. Just literally beautiful. Literally beautiful. Just look at that. And that hill on the other side goes up about like 200 feet. It goes up on that hill up there. So it's quite hilly along the river. But what a beautiful sight. Look at over there, people. Just look at that. You can go fishing over in the cove there, or you can go out, like I said, out there in the main river. But it's just beautiful, people. I can't stress it enough how beautiful it is up here. Since it's been so dry up here, the very little bugs, mosquitoes. Last night we were sitting by the campfire and we have not put any bug repellent on at all. Not a bit. I mean, I'm in the woods here right now and there's no mosquitoes. There's no bugs. An occasional fly, but we just don't have the bugs right now. But it is literally amazing. This is one of the better things, a better place in the world. Look at that. What a beautiful. This is all right around our camp. This is the amazing thing. I had to show you guys. This is just, as they say, picturesque. It's just, can't ask for better. Look at this. I'm gonna walk over here. This is where the canal comes out, where we camping out to the river. Look at that. Look at that, people. Can you ask for more? Right here, God's country. This is the way God intended it to be. Right here. I'm going to take you all the way to the point. Getting a little windy by the point, but look at that. Look at that, people. Can you ask for better? Can you ask for better? No. Definitely getting windy out here. And now we're at the point. We could camp here, but it would, to carry everything in, you'd have to carry so far. We could have brought it down by boat. She's got her boat here, and look at that. Look at that, people. I mean, you can't ask for a better place. Yep, you can't ask for a better place to camp for. Four days. And that takes us right back into our cove where we're camping. Beautiful, isn't it, folks? Alrighty, well, you guys made it out to the point. Beautiful 80-degree day. That's what they're saying it's going to be. I'm going back to have breakfast, folks, and some coffee. You guys take it easy. Bye now. Well, cherry lovers, while we were camping, I guess we got back here at the cabin, I guess we got a worse storm than well, over at the campsite. We just got rain, but looks like we got a little bit more than rain here. So, okay, cherry lovers, we harvested after 3 weeks our spinach and kale. She's going to use them to make drinks with. She blends them all up. And that's what they look like. They're real young and tender. And we also got this over here. This is all where she's going to freeze them, but that's some more. We very happy. 3 weeks time, and we got ourselves a whole bunch of kale and spinach. So thought I'd show you what our first harvest. Like I say, 3 weeks. It's been so hot. 3 weeks we've had kale. So